We're gonna rock the gauntlet at Westfield Southlake Mall, Merrillville, Indiana. Starting at JCPenney. Ending at where? The glass elevator in the mall. And this is the Montgomery Coney. And now this is the Montgomery Minus Bacone.
Here it is. It's a big elevator.
Yep.
Go to 2.
1.
Oh, 1.
Let's sit the close.
I like that it has the door closed.
The door closed never works. See, I'll hate that. See, that used to be Montgomery.
No indicator.
Door's closing. Look at that. Wow, this is humongous. This is for George at 551.
Yes.
I want to
watch leveling.
see, it's Montgomery. We are at 1. Can I press it?
Well,
And then they have the door close button.
the door close button doesn't work though. Now the button's light up. Alright, here goes.
It's the door close button never
Now
slow.
guys, we're only gonna ride the elevator once while rocking the gauntlet.
Yeah. Capacity 4,000 pounds. Ooh.
Boosting that motor.
Phone, his alarm, stop switch.
And very
And
nice Montgomery County.
here we go, 2. Watch the door closed. This is the elevator. Now we are going to get the elevator near JCPenney.
Yeah.
Which last time wasn't working.
And we do have a single video of this. You want to see it go on a couple times.
Yeah.
This is the Rocking the Gauntlet episode. You want to see all the elevators in single. But if you want to see a longer video of it, look at the video down here. Alright, so we're gonna go. It's actually by Glow Golf or Mini Golf.
Yeah, in the office place.
Yes, it is. A management office, security, elevator, office, telephones, and restrooms.
Guys, if you see my camera aiming down because there may be security or spotting me somewhere, we are gonna go ride the elevator here. And this is the probably it's a Montgomery near JCPenney.
Right at Montgomery, and it's really shaky.
Yeah, it's a death trap. Last time we saw this, it was not good. It was
Right here. Last time it was broken, we saw it.
Yeah.
We got it this time.
We are gonna go downstairs. It's here, sitting for us.
You going?
Going down.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, we gotta make some room for her.
Yep. Oh, door's closing. We hate her. Oh, door closing.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. It's re-leveled. 35,000 pounds. This is a very shaky elevator. See, Montgomery. See, press 2. Door open button.
You go first. Oh, we're just. He likes to take all of it himself.
Door's closing. Thank you, Grand. Now we're gonna give cam view.
Okay.
Pretty nice elevator. It's a shaky.
Let's get the motor.
This is a shaky elevator in the mall.
Look at those doors. They're shaking.
Yeah. Don't you think we should go?
Come on.
AA? And we are at 2. It's re-leveled already. That's the second elevator. And now we're going to go to where? Macy's?
Whichever one's closest. Might ride the glass one first.
Yeah. We're gonna have to ride the glass ones. We're gonna have to ride the glass ones. Oh, can't use the escalators, gotta use the elevator. It's that way.
Maybe we're the right last ones, maybe.
Yeah, look at it. There's one. Ha! We are at you guys see
We're right the last ones.
yeah.
First we find Scott and then we'll go to Sears.
Yeah. No wait, Macy's.
Oh yeah, Macy's too.
And then Sears. We're in the Sears, guys. Sears is right down there.
See, we're going this way. Let's go over that way.
The glass elevator is right over here. Maybe. We're not gonna drive the glass yet. There's a Ferris wheel. What's that? That's a ride there.
You wanna go to Macy's?
Yep. What kind of elevator do they have in Macy's?
They have in Montgomery.
Where's the elevator at Macy's?
I know where it is. Well,
We're going to Macy's. Puma is opening 2011. I think it's right around that side.
oh yeah, I think. Not sure.
Just the Macy's side. Yeah, it must be on this side. Actually, I forget. The elevator. We're following it. The Macy's store is kind of a pretty nice store, but the elevator is somewhere. Do you know where is it? We are gonna go to the elevator. Where is it? Go this way, probably.
Over this way.
Oh yeah, this way, guys. Oh, that way. You just have all the signs. Just me. Oh yeah, there's the elevator. Elevator left. And restrooms on left too. Left.
Excuse us. Sure.
And hey, it's a Westinghouse actually.
Oh, it is?
Yes. I remember Macy's had Westinghouse.
Oh yeah. I don't remember exactly.
Yeah.
I know like
Elevator
I know,
and
like,
restrooms.
See, the thing is, I know most of the malls in Montgomery.
Elevator and the restrooms this way. Restrooms on both floors.
The elevators are pretty far back here.
Yeah, it's almost back here.
I remember taking this. Oh yeah.
Way. Excuse me. And let's call it.
Look at that old call button.
Oh, it's here. It's waiting for
I remember this is the big one.
Yes,
Yeah,
lady. Go on, X.
This is the one that takes a long time for the doors to close. Oh no, it's the one that you get a cab.
Wow, this is huge. It's a Westinghouse, everybody.
Yep. The indicators are broken.
No, the indicator works. Wait, let me show
Oh
you.
yeah, Dusters, look at that. I love this classic Westinghouse.
Watch the leveling. Whoa.
Oh man, that is.
Ran, can I press the? I want to show them the. Ran, press the door open button. Ran, I went to see the Westinghouse logo.
Oh, where is it?
Right there. The Westinghouse logo.
Now watch this leveling. It's gonna be on this side. Watch the indicator too. Ooh, listen to that motor. Watch the leveling.
It's a Weston house. Classic. We're gonna go off on this floor.
Alright.
Look at that cold button.
Very nice.
And now we are gonna go to Carson Punch.
Whichever's closer.
Carson Punch got. The other way is kind of hard to find in this store. Again, this video is for Jerome at 551. He likes to do Rock and the Gauntlet videos, so it's gonna be for him.
I'm G Money Bears here too. I got a YouTube channel. A couple elevator videos. Some other sports videos. All cool stuff.
We're gonna turn right here, and we are heading towards the mall entrance. Can we go to Carson Pine Scott? It's right across here from Macy's. See? Okay, we're aiming around my camera. And now we are gonna go to Carson Pine Scott.
Alright.
Carson Pine Scott, right across it. Yeah?
Here's is close too.
Shall we go to Carson Pine Scott? This mall is very nice, but and we are going to go to Carson's Pine Scott. But before we do that, let's
Glass elevator after that.
let's ride the glass over at Carson Pine Scott. That was funny.
Let's go to Sears first.
No, Carson Pine Scott. Carson! Grant!
I gotta go here first. Now I want to go all the way back.
We're gonna end up the glass elevator. Sears is all the way back. Do you remember what kind of elevator they have in there?
1968 Montgomery.
No.
Yeah, huh? Yeah, they do.
No, we don't.
Oh, wait. Let me think. Let me think, Jay. Here. See the 1968 Montgomery Classic?
I don't know.
House.
I don't know.
Let's look.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We are entering Sears. Where are the elevators?
I forget where it is.
We're good then to put signs up.
Those
Down
escalators. Blue Pine,
Montgomery.
probably.
Let's go this way.
Is it over here? I think it is.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, we just missed it.
Where?
It's over there. We'll have to make a big loop.
Just gonna make a big loop, guys. Because we missed the elevator.
We'll go through here.
Yeah.
told you. I think it's a 1968 classic.
And she comes to the elevator. There's the elevator. Oh, wait a minute.
From Montgomery, I remember.
Oh, it's here.
Spread the word. I'm gonna run.
Remember? These are the Montgomery.
Hold that button so they can get out.
Okay.
The door's closing. Okay, nice. Hey, where's the buttons? Oh, no, what? Let's stop. Quick, get Cabby first. It's pretty nice. Very interesting elevator.
Let's get
Right, let's press 2 and then press 1. Press 2 and then 1. Press now. Thank you.
watch the left line.
It's in Montgomery now there. Ha. Didn't cares out, so wrong button. Oh, we went out. Where's it? Up time. There. Grant, can I show them the pictures?
Door closed works.
Wait. See that Montgomery unlock?
Yep.
Grant, push me to the call station. Hey. Don't call my network, see I hate that. There we go. It's very weird. Ooh.
Does the indicator work?
No.
What's that motor?
Capacity
Watch
4,000.
the left line.
Wait, let's go down the 1. Bang. Send you down for 1. And now we are heading towards...
Let's find Scott.
Yeah. And then the glass cellar is last.
It'll be a long trip.
Yep.
Hope you guys like it.
Hope you like it, guys.
I'd like you to come to my channel. I know this is Jay's video, but I got about 1,000 views, so I got some cool stuff. I mean, maybe the elevator.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Maybe elevator fans won't like it, but
That's where they're putting it down there, Grant.
what?
On the first floor. Where remember that used to be the thing, a bookstore down there, and
Or those ones that they closed. Future 8. I forget.
wait.
I know what you're talking about. Where they put it down there.
Remember they tore it up and put it into a new.
I know where I'm going.
I would never give you coffee.
We are heading towards the. Yeah, then the glass elevator. We're in the glass elevator. Well, before we go, like, you can get a good view at the those places, the games, the rides there. Here you go to the Carson Pine Scott on the second floor.
I figured it out.
Yeah. It may be hard to find the elevator on this floor. Let's see. Whoa.
This lady said.
Where's the elevator?
Still get time to go see his doctor. I said,
Trying to find it. Ooh. The elevator is somewhere. Oh, yeah. The says elevator, east entrance, and Jummins. We are heading towards the elevator. The elevator, which is way over here. This is the east entrance. Sheesh, kind of hard to find the elevator.
You rode this before?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm pretty sure we did.
Elevator. Elevator. Oh yeah. Oh, someone's calling. Look at it. It automatically calls it. Montgomery. Inside features are modernized.
This is the upper level. Double speed doors.
What is this? Double speed doors. Yeah.
We rode this before?
Yeah. Let's go give me a cam view, Grant.
Okay.
Grant, spin me around. Nice elevator. The floor count's dead and everything is dead. Whoa, we're moving.
What?
We're moving.
What type of telephone is it? ADA?
Yep. God press
Oh, here we are. Hear that bell? Double speed.
Oh, someone didn't call. Oh, going up.
Okay.
Don't play button works.
Oh.
We all like that. Here's the telephone and Montgomery. My nice pictures inside. Here. Piano. Here we are at UL.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll go down the one. Grant, we want to go down the one. Grant, we should go down the one.
Let's see this way down here.
Yeah. And now we are gonna ride.
Last elevator. Final one.
Yep.
This has been a long day.
Those are the escalators.
I
Montgomery.
don't remember riding that elevator.
Yeah, we know. Monkeys over there.
What kind is this? Montgomery probably?
Yep.
Yep, Montgomery. There you go. Show that Montgomery logo.
Montgomery escalator. Okay.
Alright, let's go, baby.
Let's go downstairs.
Tie my shoe.
I got that tight shoe. Shoe.
You guys, Michigan fans, these are you guys. When you guys are Michigan fans.
We are.
Hey, you fans, thank you very much. Bears fans, you Bears fans.
This is.
Bears rock. Hey, Packers fans. You don't like Packers fans.
Oh, let's just wait. For next.
Alright, last one.
This glass elevator. No, let's just wait for the next one.
Okay, let's watch it.
Yeah. Let's watch it go down then. Right here. Near the glass elevator. Let's call it. Up to the stage to the glass elevator. Call it. Yay! Closed glass elevator. And this is the final elevator. Press the down button. Stay away from the doors because there may be people on it. There's a lot of people on the glass elevator. We'll be at the upstairs. Ding ding. Stand back from the doors.
Now, just a little too much.
Grant, come here. Yeah, go. So,
Thank you.
yeah, nice. We have to hold the door open by it.
Oh, hold on. Alright.
One. They're
We're
closed.
gonna nudge mode.
Oh. It's spawning here. One, third. It's like a nudge mode. Yeah, look at epic wind. It was a nudge mode. Wee! Here we are, one.
Sure. Go ahead.
Go to two. Two. They're closed, but it works.
Sit up.
I want to go to the next mode again. Next mode elevator. This is the now greatest elevator. Watch this. I'm in the next mode again. Seriously? I'm in the next mode. This could start the elevator. Here we go.
Let's let these people get out, Jay.
Phone. And we're in the next mode. You may have to worry about next mode. Really.
Alright, guys. That's the end of our long trip.
Hope you enjoy it. And goodbye.